Hello and Assalamu alaikum to all my friends and family. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking, and today I'm going to take care of a few things. It's like I'm going to make a base for all my curries and cooking. On the weekends I will put it in the jar, and whenever I'm cooking something I'm going to make the minor changes, add a few things, but the base will be the same. So this is something we can easily do on the weekend. First, let me brown some garlic because it's easier to brown the whole garlic, and then I will go to the onions. Okay, the garlic is browning nicely, like a minute or so, and then I'll take it out because when I brown them like that, whole garlic, then it's very easy to mash them. The garlics are done. You can see nice and brown, and they're soft from inside now. So I got that out of the way. Going to use the same oil for onions. Okay, while the garlic was browning, I chopped my onions. Now in the same oil I'm going to fry them. Okay, so since I'm not using too much of oil, it's going to take a while, but we will get this done. So I will keep stirring it, so whatever is brown will come up, and we'll check back on it in a while. While the onion is browning, I'm going to take 1 level tablespoon of salt and sprinkle over it. So next time when I'm using that, I will add whatever I need to add according to whatever I'm cooking. But for like those onions, 1 tablespoon is good. While onions are browning, let me show you how nicely and soft the garlic is. You can just like that. So if I mash it a little bit, it's nice and soft. So I'll make a paste of it and add it to the masala later. So that's our garlic paste. Yep, it's moving with my hand. Alright, that's good enough. So while the onion is browning, I'm going to take the seeds out of the peppers and cut them in smaller chunks. So whenever you're dealing with extra hot peppers and you don't like too much heat, just take the seeds out, and always make sure you wash your hands properly after that, whether you touch them or not, just to be on the safe side. It's better to wash your hands. Alright, you can see now the onions are caramelizing. See it? And when you put the salt on it and you caramelize the onion, you can almost smell the sugars. So another 5-10 minutes and we're done with onion. Still waiting on the onions. I started to grate the ginger. You can use it either the bigger size or the finer one. It depends how you like. If you like a little bit chunky ginger, then it's good. Otherwise, use the finer side. Here's the ginger now, and it's ready. Onion is coming out very nicely. You can see that. We desi people spend half of our life browning the masalas, and that's very annoying. We are obsessed with browning the masalas and all that. It takes so much time. So try to do it on a weekend or your day off. So the rest of the week you can just take a portion out of it and use it. All you have to do is to add your whatever greens, like green onions or cilantro or some special spices you need for something, but just make the base and keep it. This is the basic base that I'm going to make today. Or see, the onions are almost done now. Then I will bring all the stuff back and add it. I just added the ginger, and I'm going to give this ginger like 5 minutes with onions. Now the garlic goes back in and the peppers. So now I'm going to fry the garlic, ginger and peppers with the onions. I always try to give you the basic recipe, and in the basic you can actually make your own additions or add what you want, don't add what you don't like, but this is just the basic. Now I'm going to add cumin, toasted cumin, and ajwain, and whole peppers, and bay leaf, and crushed coriander. So this is the basic things I'm going to add. After a few minutes, I think I'm going to add a spoon of turmeric powder. Masala is coming out nice and smelling so good in here. 1 cup of tomato sauce. That's for the basic masala. Later on, according to whatever recipe you're using, you can add more, it's always up to you. More salt, more pepper, more tomato sauce. Alrighty, check out the color now. So for most of Indian Pakistani foods, the base is onion, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and peppers. So the rest of the spices, more or less, are added to it. Alrighty, now my base is ready. There you can see everything nicely done. So I'm going to stop the heat and let it cool down. Okay, so for example, if I was trying to make some eggplants today, I wanted to bake them. I just put the masala base I just made, and to cut the eggplants from the middle. I put the masala on it, and I sprinkled some green dry cilantro. You can use some fresh, a pinch of salt, 350 in the oven, and look how easy my life is going to be. So that's the whole point of making it ahead of time.